Welcome to our video on Field Technician Enablement Support during Complex Interventions. This video is a deep dive into the field support on complex cases positioned in our video on less administration and elevated experience in the field. My name is Tim Verpoorten and together with my colleague Sybren Moy we will give you more insight on this subject. Complex interventions typically cost organizations a lot, and there's only a limited number of very experienced people with the required knowledge to handle the job. Being able to assign the right technician with the right skills and needed spare parts to realize a first-time fix within the required time frame increases customer satisfaction significantly. For complex interventions, the more experienced technicians, the higher the chance of a first-time resolution and the shorter the time to resolve the issue. Typically, complex interventions are solved ad hoc, with many possible approaches. So what's the most efficient way? Retrieving all required manuals and information is essential, especially when issues have occurred and have been solved before. Maybe there's a colleague who has already solved a similar issue, but how do you know this? Often, knowledge is not adequately shared within teams. And when the subject matter expert is found, how can you make sure he or she can help you remotely? Complex interventions typically require detailed guidance.
Let me show you how we can help customers overcome these challenges with Microsoft Dynamics Field Service, Guides, Remote Assist and our 9-8 accelerators. Once again, this demo starts when I, as a technician, arrive on site at the customer. We have seen the scheduling and administrative tasks in other videos. Like we have shown before, I can see the tasks related to this work order, but I need a little more help. I can see there are two guides linked to this work order. This can be seen as an e-learning specifically for this asset and problem. I start up the guide and follow the instructions. After I have finished the steps, I can continue with the work order. But in this case, I need a little bit of extra help. So I start up my digital twin of the asset on my mobile device. Here I can zoom in to a specific area and also start instructions. I am able to zoom in and out, walk around to look at it from a different angle. If this still doesn't help me solve the issue, I will contact an expert at the office. I will launch Remote Assist from my Field Service app and call the subject matter expert and ask if he or she can give me some guidance. If I use the HoloLens, the expert will have the exact same viewpoint as I have, and I will have my hands available for the actual work. The expert can point out specific elements to me or even project documents like manuals into my viewpoint. Once finished, the recording can be saved to the work order for review or training purposes.
We demonstrated how we can support you in optimizing complex interventions by making sure there's more standardization and knowledge sharing across your technicians, as well as making historical experience more insightful. With the help of AI Copilot, Guides and Remote Assist, we can significantly improve operational efficiency and first-time resolution rates, boosting your customer satisfaction to new heights. To end the video and to further inspire you about field service and our solution, you can visit our website, watch more videos on scheduling, technician enablement, customer intimacy and field service performance and insights, or contact one of our 9A Sherpas.